Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? I'm doing great. Excuse how I'm looking right now. I know I'm looking a little rough, but I have to do this intro to get this out for you guys. In today's video, you guys gonna be watching me cook my Guyanese chicken foot sauce. I did this video since last week, but I didn't get to do an intro upload it, so I'm gonna do it definitely today. So you guys gonna be watching my chicken foot sauce. This is my version of chicken foot sauce, and this is how I like to eat my chicken foot sauce. The only thing is that my chicken foot sauce don't have any onions, because when we were about to cut the onions, and so we realized that the onions was rotten, so I couldn't use the onions. So but you guys can put onions in your chicken foot sauce as well. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. So thank you guys for watching, and here's my ingredients. Okay guys, this is my ingredients for my chicken foot sauce. I have about 1 pound of chicken foot here. I already washed it in vinegar, and I cut off the toenails and I clean it. I have some black pepper, some fine leaf thyme, Wiri pepper, 1 cube. You could also use salt as well. I cut up some celery. I have some shallots. I have cucumber, and I have some lime juice. So what I'm gonna do now is put the chicken foot in some water to boil. So you have to boil this until it gets soft. Okay, so my chicken foot has been boiling for about 20 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is throw away all of this water. Okay, I just throw away all the water, and I'm going to put back fresh water. Okay, I put back fresh water there. The reason why I throw away all the water is just to throw away the rank water. So I'm going to put this back now to boil. Okay, while the chicken foot is boiling for the second time, I'm going to put in my Wiri pepper. Just the pepper alone, I'm going to put it in. Okay, so my chicken foot has been finished boiling. So what I'm going to do now is throw it over in this bowl here. I'm going to just throw the chicken foot over into the bowl. I'm going to put my 1 cube. You can also put salt if you want. I'm going to put my black pepper and my thyme. I'm also going to put my celery and my shallots. I'm going to put my lime juice and stir it up. Okay, now I'm going to put in my cucumber. Just put in my cucumber. Okay, what I'm going to do is also, I'm going to just throw in a little all-purpose seasoning and stir it up. Okay guys, so this is the end results for my Guyanese chicken foot sauce. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, give my video a thumbs up, and you can leave a comment down below. And also guys, please follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Stay blessed. Bye. Hey guys, this is my Guyanese chicken foot sauce. If you want to see how I made this video, just go to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Afton. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye.